as well. So guys, today's video we will be discussing about top two vacancies for the day, which is one is from Larsen and Toubro, which is for software engineer profile, and the other one is Elitmus, which is for business associate profile. So let's discuss one by one quickly. So for the Larsen and Toubro, the profile is for software engineer, and yeah, the location would be Pune. So initially I think this could be a work from home opportunity, but yes, you might have to shift later on, or it might be for the on this office job also. They will confirm you, so you can go through the complete details about the company, and the company is Larsen and Toubro Infotech Limited. Fine. And you can this job segment would be developer, software engineer, or application developer, technology and engineering profile. This is basically for. So this is all about, I mean, what you need to do is, as your job of this role, what you have to do is like you have to be expert in web application involving Angular 5.6, 4.56, or technology enthusiastic. Programming skills you have to be very well versed with. You have to be like a good understanding and experience in mean stack. Okay, then HTML, CSS, MySQL you will be working for, and Bootstrap framework you will be working for. High performer with with a clear ability to learn. Obviously, these are basic skills sets which they will be looking for, and other skill sets are also there, like communication skills, ownership, and decision making skills you can go through, and technical resolving issue you should have, engineering mindset. So these are the various skills they would be looking into the candidate. So this is all about in product life cycles. Also, you should be well versed with experience. So basically, this looks like it is an experience profile more or less. But yes, if you have these kind of skill sets, you can definitely apply for it. So if I talk about how to apply, you can click here, apply now, or you can start with LinkedIn. You can apply through LinkedIn, or you can directly apply through this particular website, which is careers dot infotech. Fine. So you have to log in and create an account basically, and fill up the entire application form, which is all about your the details, the education qualification and everything, and the resume you have to upload it in case they ask you for. So this is very basic, so you have to apply like this. Now let's come to Elitmus. So for Elitmus, this is a business associate profile. It is in Bangalore, and the package which they will be offering you is 5.5 lakhs, 5.5 lakhs per annum. Quite good opportunity, I mean, in terms of monetary. This package is quite good for freshers. Basically 2021 March pass outs can apply for this. You can go through the company. Basically a brief idea about Elitmus. It is a talent assessment company. Basically this helps various big companies. It's a platform basically which conducts tests and assessment for the big companies in hiring process. You can go through the complete details about the this company. I am sure you must have heard about this particular company. Now what they are looking for is, we prefer engineers, and yeah, 2021 match pass outs with a great academics. I mean, they haven't mentioned the scores or marks here, or percentage, but you should be good at, I mean, some benchmark you can keep in mind. And below is a form. Basically this is a Google form. You can click here to apply. Before that, let's move to the selection process. Round one will be 3 tests basically. The test basically, so you have to go through it. Then round 2 will be a part of assessment based on McKinsey, and interview rounds 3. Okay, fine, which will include puzzle solving also. So this is the rounds you can go through in details. And one thing guys, there's a note mentioned that you have to be very you should know about this particular company McKinsey, and they have written that you should research about this company, what it does, what is all about for this company. So you have to be, you go through it particularly before appearing in the interview rounds. Fine. So this is all about the package would be 5.5 as we discussed. Also there is mentioned that above CTC will be applicable post completion of 3 months of training. Very important. And before that, you'll get stipend, which is 17,000 per month, then 15,200, which is stipend, and other is food allowances. You can go through it. So this is, I mean, after 3 months, you will be applicable for the entire CTC package. And so this is, if you talk about, this is all about the business associate profile. If I talk about how to log in, apply, you just need to log in. You can register here yourself, and then like log in and completely fill in the application form correctly and upload your resumes, whatever they have like asked for. So yeah, you will be applying. So also guys, don't forget to subscribe the channel, do share with your friends, and don't forget to apply as soon as possible, because we never know when the link gets expired. Or and also guys, yeah, you can follow us on join us on Telegram for the latest job updates. Till then guys, bye, have a great day, be safe.